Welcome to Lightning Tutorials. These tutorials are short, sweet, and to the point, so let's jump right in. Our last video covered the basics of what Nearpod actually is and what it can do, and this one will demonstrate how you can use it to create interactive Edpuzzle-like videos. Very simple. Click Create right there, and then Video. Now you have several options to go about creating an interactive video. You can select from the video library here, which contains Nearpod originals. You could search within YouTube if you click here, and if you already have a YouTube link, then just pasting the link right here and clicking search will yield that video. You can select that video. You can select a video from your own library, provided you've done this before, or you can upload your own video. Now, I will be straightforward with you. One of the more recent and excellent features of Edpuzzle Pro was the ability to record directly in the online application. You cannot do that with Nearpod. You can, however, go the extra step of recording a video elsewhere, downloading it, and uploading it here. You can upload it directly from your computer or from Google. While that sounds like a lot, many school districts have access to third-party apps like WeVideo, which allow you to easily record and edit. And the bonus is, once you've downloaded your video, it's your video. It won't remain tied to the application. So let's choose a video from the video library. Notice I can select on the left side grade levels and subjects. Let's go with science and 6th grade. And let's go ahead and search for evolution. And our first result here, the evolution of dogs, is a Nearpod original. So I'm going to click on that. Now, being that this is a Nearpod original, there are already some embedded questions. There's one here at 9 seconds. So when you're playing this in front of the class, if you're doing this live and it gets to that 9-second mark, then it's going to stop and the students are going to answer an open-ended question on their computers. And then you'll continue on with the video. There's also an embedded video near the end at 1:27. Now let's say there's something in the middle that's very important. There's something at 51 seconds and I want to add additional questions to it. Well, then I'll just click Add Activity, and I have two options here. I can add an open-ended question or I can add a multiple choice question. Let's go ahead and add a multiple choice question. And it's very self-explanatory. We'll just say, what is the answer to this question? Say this is the answer. This is not the answer. I want to make sure you select the correct answer and then click Save. And there you go. When you get to 51 seconds, students will be prompted to answer that multiple choice question. You can see the results on the screen. A couple other options here. You can click this timer, you can slow down the playback, you can speed it up, you can also click this settings gear and increase or decrease the video quality. Let's go ahead and put it at 720p since that's better video quality. Now, if you have already built a lesson, you already have your slides ready and you want to move seamlessly into an interactive video, then you'll click Embed in a lesson and you'll add it to the lesson that's already in Nearpod that you've already built. Or you can click Save. And this will save in your Nearpod lessons as its own activity. Okay, so our next and last video will be, how do we present this? How do we assign it to students? There's a couple different ways to do that. So go ahead to the next video.